In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link WhatsApp to your Wix website. Having a WhatsApp chat directly on your website can significantly enhance your communication with visitors and potential customers, providing them with a direct, convenient, and familiar platform to reach out to you. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website editor. This is where you'll manage and edit your website's design and features. Once you're in the editor, look for the option that says Add Apps. This section is a hub for expanding your website's capabilities with various additional features. Next, you'll need to find the WhatsApp chat application, which you can do by typing WhatsApp into the search bar. This will help pull up various results related to WhatsApp, but you specifically want the WhatsApp chat application. Having this search function makes it simple to locate the exact tool you need without having to browse through countless unrelated options. Once you've located the WhatsApp chat application, the next step is to click on it. Clicking on the app will provide you with detailed information about what it offers and how it will appear on your website. You'll also be able to see user reviews and any additional details that might help you decide how best to integrate it into your site for optimal visitor engagement. Now that you've selected the WhatsApp chat, the final step is to add it to your website. Simply click on Add as Mods, and it will begin the integration process automatically. This step is crucial as it incorporates the application directly into your website's interface, ensuring it's visible to users and fully functional. The add function typically includes wizard prompts, guiding you through setup, customization, and deployment, seamlessly integrating the application with the rest of your site's design and style. By following these steps, you're setting up a direct line of communication for your website visitors, making it easy for them to get in touch with you on a platform that they likely already use daily. Integrating this feature will not only help in building stronger customer relationships, but also quickly resolving queries or engaging in service support, which can be tremendously beneficial for your business. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you find this feature as useful as many other Wix users do. Don't hesitate to explore other apps and features offered by Wix too, as they can really transform your website into an even more dynamic and interactive experience for your visitors. Until next time, happy website editing!